quad blaster that I modified. This one's with light and sound. Pull the top trigger. You get the top one pulse. Pull the bottom. Easy one-handed. Fire blue for the taser at the bottom of the gun. A little bit of a lazy spring at the moment since it's been assembled for a while. Put them two buttons down there to play Uga Shaka and Come and Get Your Love. I'm going to paint the handle at some point and put something in to block off that battery. Same at the bottom where the wires are down here. Just put something to cap that off so you don't see them. I'm happy. I mean, I think I need to get these parts 3D printed again. But in ABS so I can smooth them out better. That's it for that one. I've got some 3D printed parts that go on my first gun I modified with just sound. I might put sound in that as well. Just got lights in that at the moment. This one's light and sound, which is just perfect.